They said they were taking care of the permits, and I assumed they were taking care of the permits, and as we got to close, no permits.
Hey everyone, Justin Cooper with Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. If you're liking the content, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm joined by Maya Brown. We're talking about more mistakes that we've made on our personal properties and investments, so hopefully you don't repeat those same mistakes. Maya, tell me about one of the deals.
I'm just really hoping that the folks got a chance to see all of the mistakes that you made on your deal, Coop, because I'm feeling like a rock star right now with my flips that I've done. But if I could just take you through my biggest mistake is do not fall in love with the house.
Absolutely.
Don't fall in love with the house. Your time is very precious. I would spend hours picking out light fixtures and hours picking out which color I was going to paint the room and which wallpaper I was going to use and countertops and just obsessing over every single detail. So just so folks know, this is not your house. You are not going to live in it. It's going to break your heart in several different ways. Hopefully, in the least manner, it will be that you're going to sell it and you're never going to be able to be in it anymore, and you're going to have to watch other people live in it or trash it out after you've worked so hard to make it beautiful. That's at a minimum. At a maximum, you're going to lose money and then watch somebody buy the house for way less money than the time and effort that you put into it. So while you should go around and look at other houses and see what they have that's making those homes sell, do not fall in love too much with the process, because your time is very valuable and you can waste a lot of time on the small details, and that's not what you want to do. You want to get in, get out, sell the house, and move on to the next one.
Yeah, that's such a great point. I'm sorry that happened to you, Maya, but it is important to spend that much time on the details, but not your personal preferences, right?
Yes.
We want to get the right light fixtures, but we don't need to comb through every design book out there. We just need to go to a couple open houses, see what other people are using in their houses in the neighborhood. Boom, decision made, we're moving on, right? Save a lot of time and hopefully money.
Absolutely. And just kind of playing off of one of the mistakes that you had was kind of trusting your crew. You want to pick contractors and people to work around that you trust, but don't trust them. I guess that's the best advice that I can give. Don't expect that they are going to have your best interest at heart and that they're going to make all of the right decisions. Just to give you an example, for me, I was under the impression that my contractor was taking care of the permits. They said they were taking care of the permits, and I assumed they were taking care of the permits, and as we got to close, no permits. So, you can find yourself in a really expensive situation just because you put your trust in somebody else. Make sure to keep your thumb on every part of the project. This is, after all, your project. You are the leader. Don't defer that to anyone else that's working with you.
Such great points, Maya. Thank you. If you want to hear more about other tips and tricks and mistakes that we've made, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and you can always reach out to any of us at pinefinancialgroup.com.